In this video, we'll go over 0x. What are the coin's fundamentals? And what price we may expect it to hit by the end of this year. With the current changes in SEC regulations, the cryptocurrency markets have definitely seen a change in the past few years. With the rise of meme coins and NFTs, cryptocurrency itself has now taken the attention worldwide, and we are now seeing a new market cycle in the crypto space. Before we begin, we are having a 700 XRP coin giveaway. To enter, all you need to do is give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, comment down below, 0x to the moon. And we'll announce the winner on September the 31st. Now, let's get right to the video. Imagine throwing $100 and turning that into over $10,000 overnight. Well, that's exactly what's happened with many people who have dabbled into cryptocurrency. Sure, no one really knows what coin can make you an insane return, unless you have inside information or know that you will be promoted at an insane rate. But simply looking at a coin's fundamentals can make the world of a change from investing into something that will hit rock bottom, or go straight to the moon. For this coin, many believe that a 10 to 50x can be very attainable as long as the coin follows through with a roadmap and enhances the network. So, what is 0x? 0x is an infrastructure protocol that allows users to easily trade ERC-20 tokens and other assets on the Ethereum blockchain without relying on centralized intermediaries like traditional cryptocurrency exchanges. 0x achieves this decentralized exchange functionality using a collection of open-source, publicly auditable smart contracts that work together to produce a flexible, low-friction trading protocol that developers can easily weave into their products. The protocol is powered by an ERC-20 utility token known as ZRX. Nodes that host an off-chain order book and offer user-facing applications that present this information and allow users to make, fill and cancel transactions are paid in ZRX tokens. To make an accurate prediction, first we need to look at the efficiency of the coin and any updates it might currently have. Unlike many other Ethereum decentralized exchange protocols, 0x supports both fungible ERC-20 and non-fungible ERC-723 tokens. This means it can be used for the permissionless trading of a wide range of assets, giving holders a way to buy, sell, and exchange the vast majority of Ethereum assets through more than a dozen different apps. The 0x protocol can be applied to a wide range of use cases, including eBay-style marketplaces for digital goods and services, OTC trading desks, exchange functionality for DeFi protocols, and plain old decentralized exchanges. Although 0x can be used to build highly flexible exchange products, it can also be built into products where asset exchange is a secondary feature, such as for in-game purchases and portfolio management platforms. Considering all mass adoption takes place, and since Bitcoin controls the overall market, if Bitcoin has hit all of its consolidation periods, we can see the price hitting 61 cents by the end of the year. Having all this in mind and what the founders are doing, we can easily see the coin hit another 10 to 20x by 2025. Remember that the best way to make money with any investment is to be patient with your investments and let them grow over time. Comment down below for any cryptocurrency price prediction you'd like next. Remember, one should always do their own research when investing into anything. We are proud to provide any updates on cryptocurrency coins, but should not be taken as financial advice. If you liked the video, give this video a thumbs up as it helps the community.